What is up, my people? So welcome back to the channel. Today is literally Sunday, so I literally just woke up from bed right now. It's around 2 past 2 or past 3. I would want to give you guys like a breakdown or a recent update. So literally I got another $25,000 account, which is like a challenge from the Forex founder. So I'll be trading that $25,000 challenge. Sorry, before I say the first one, the Alpha Capitals Group. The reason why I bought that particular account from Alpha Capitals Group is as a result of Alpha Capitals Group is less stressful and they pay like within 24 hours. So, like I told you guys, I have an account of $5,000 with Alpha Capital. I lost that particular account after 4 to 5 withdrawals, and I lost the account based off of I think lot size restriction or whatsoever. I'll look for the screenshot they sent me. I'll put it around. So it was based off of lot size restriction, or it wasn't really restriction. I think it was max lot size on that particular account. It was after everything. I went to literally like the flag and saw everything, like you're not supposed to use a certain lot size in one particular trade, a certain lot size on the account. So basically I got the $25,000 account from the Alpha Capitals Group. I'm literally going to trade a particular one, so I'm going to share the progress with you guys. I bought the account yesterday, Saturday, so I'm literally going to share the progress with you guys here on YouTube and also on my Telegram channel, my Instagram and everything. So basically I took a trade last week, was around Thursday, Friday. We took a trade out around Wednesday, Thursday, Friday last week, JPY. So I want to show you guys the analysis. I want to analyze the chart with you. I was able to capitalize on that particular trade. Like you guys know, I've been having like winning streak back to back, and obviously I don't trade all the time. And when I do trade, I do get like sniper entries in the market and also good money moves. So this is the reason why I feel like the members in my community, my private group and everything, why they are still on the group is probably to the fact that I don't trade much, but whenever I post an analysis or a signal, everybody will make money. So that's basically it. So I'm literally just chill. You guys can see I'm just very chill. I'm not doing too much. Today is Sunday. We're waiting for the market to open on Monday so we can start trading and everything. So I still have my $25,000 funded account on the Forex fund that I'm trading, and I'm still waiting for the payout. They promised that they are going to pay from the last time before the migration and everything. But basically I'm on $1,000 in profit. After the migration, they gave me an account on Mass Trader and I'm on $1,000 in profits. So I literally just left that account. I didn't want to trade that particular account again. I just want to wait for the 30 days interval to sit, then let me see if they are still going to pay this particular one. So this is the reason why I got another account, $25,000 on Alpha Capitals, to actually keep myself busy and everything. So yeah, so basically let me go to the charts. Let me show you guys the trade on GBP I got 200 and was it not 237 pips or 230 something pips. I will call that particular pip move in the market. So let's go. So this is my screen, so you guys can see what I have going on. You guys can see the trade when the trade reads take profits. Let me show you guys 236 pips. So I sent out two take profits. One take profit at around this level, the other take profit at around this level. Do you get? So one take profit at around this level, the other take profit at around this level. So let me show you guys what I saw, how I analyzed the market before I took this particular trade, and I sent it out to the group as well. Here's the group when I sent the trade out, the analysis out and everything. So let me show you guys what I saw and everything. So basically you guys can see that the market is literally in an uptrend. The market is ranging all the way to the upside, making highs, low. So I saw something here on the 2 hour time frame. Like I told you guys, I always analyze my chart from the 2 hour time frame. So I saw something here on the 2 hour time frame. You guys can see I saw something here. There was an imbalance here. So price filled that particular imbalance After price filling that particular imbalance, it came all the way to the downside, creating a low. Went all the way to the upside again, sweeping this liquidity, then coming all the way to the downside to cause a break of structure. Rallied all the way to the upside, created an inducement, then drop, breaking a structure. This was when I knew that okay, there's something fishy going on JPY. So this was when I knew that okay, seeing this particular liquidity sweep, price filling this particular imbalance, then price rallied all the way to the downside. Price rallied all the way to the downside. Left an inducement, came all the way to the downside to cause this break of structure and this break of structure. I knew that whenever price rallied all the way to the upside, it's going to mitigate and it's going to do something very, very crazy. This particular area, I knew that the market was going to do something crazy whenever it rallies all the way to the upside, whenever it gets to this particular area. So this was the reason why I said, okay, whenever price gets to this area, we're going to sell, because there's a liquidity sweep that happened here. You guys can see it. I marked it out, liquidity sweep, and there was an what's it called, inducement. There was an inducement created before the supply zone. So when price rallied all the way to the supply zone, we sold. This was a sniper entry we caught. Everybody literally started making money, both from the private membership group and from the Telegram community as well. Everybody made money. So this was the reason why I sold GPJPY last week. That made us a significant amount of money. So I'm still waiting for the market to open for me to start making analysis so I can trade the $25,000 Alpha Capitals group challenge from phase 1 all the way. So like you guys know, I risk more on my challenges. I don't trade with your regular 0.5%, 0.3%, 1%. I risk more. Is as a result of psychology, because I don't trade that much. So I'm going to tell you guys about it. So this is the reason for this particular trade. And if you can see, after sending the trade out and everything, we started making money. Everybody started making money. So that was literally it on that particular trade. So yeah. So you guys can basically see and you guys can basically understand how I trade. It's very, very simple. The way I trade, my concept of trading is very, very simple. So I learned how to trade supply and demand for about a year and 6 months, a year and a half. That was when I learned how to trade supply and demand, a year and a half. And constantly, I wasn't trading a live account, I was trading a demo account. So you guys understand, I was trading a demo account. I learned how to trade supply and demand from just looking at somebody's chart. So after getting the knowledge, I tried to make it very, very simple for myself. That was when I implemented my old skills I had trading the retail patterns and everything. So I had to simplify everything so that it won't be confusing whenever I come into the chart. So yeah, there you have it. So basically, I was going to say something. Okay, so basically, I was going to talk about why I don't trade that much and why I risk more on my trades. Most of you might wonder, okay, risk more on your trades. How do you have the psychology to risk more? Let me tell you the secret behind risking more on trades. I risk give or take 2 to 3% of my account when it comes to challenges, because I would want to get that account funded and very, very fast. Me risking 2 to 3% on a particular trade on an account, you guys know that I don't trade so much. I trade probably once or twice a week. So, and whenever I see a setup, it must be an high probability trade setup. You guys get an A plus setup. So when I see an A plus setup, the market is at my zone already where I would want to be buying or be selling. First thing first, I go 2% risk on a particular trade. Immediately the market start reversing, immediately the market start going all the way to like draw down. I had another 1% at the top. So the whole entire 3% scenario, it won't get up to like 3%, to be like 2.5%. Do you guys understand? But when the market starts going all the way to my direction, because I'm very, very sure about my analysis, you guys know whenever I call trades or whenever I send trades out to my Telegram community, my private group and everything, it's like 95% accurate. So whenever I get a loss, I'm not pissed about that particular loss. I'm going to learn from that particular loss, because my trades, my analysis. I know myself very well. I know my trading capability and everything. So whenever I get a loss, I'll go into my chart again and see what's the reason for this particular loss. That's how I learn. And it doesn't happen more often enough, but losses are inevitable. Everybody gets losses. But you see that particular win, that's the reason why I don't trade too much. I don't try to make all the analysis in this world just to trade. I trade once or twice a week. But you see the analysis I'm literally going to trade, like the one I'm literally going to catch. Forget it. That particular one I'm literally going to catch. That particular one trade, two trade. You that trade multiple times every week, you get losses, you get wins, you get losses, you get wins. But you see that particular one I've been waiting for. It comes to my particular zone. I risk 3%. Forget it. It's gone. So that's how I trade and how I handle losses and drawdowns. So whenever I'm in drawdown on a particular challenge or a particular funded account, I try to reduce my risk. Whenever I'm in drawdown, I try to reduce my risk, and my risk to reward, I reduce it as well. So if I'm in drawdown, I'll start risking 1%. When I get like a 1 to 2 risk to reward, I close that particular trade. I don't care if that particular trade is going to go all the way to take profit, all the way to 500 pips. I don't care. It has to do with psychology. So when you get back to your initial capital, that's when you go crazy, start doing the what you are doing before. Do you get? So I don't actually breach accounts, like funded account. Personally, I don't actually breach funded account because I know how to treat funded account very well. I think people are a lot of traders are different. Like some traders knows how to trade personal accounts more than funded accounts. They don't know how to trade funded account. But me personally, I know how to trade funded account more than personal accounts. So I can actually manage funded accounts for a long period of time more than personal accounts. So basically, guys, that's literally what I have to tell you guys for this video. And please join my Telegram community if you've not joined already, and please like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Let's get to like 300 subscribers, so you guys get. So I'll start doing vlogs. I need to start doing vlogs because I go out a lot. Like yesterday I went out to like 3 different nice places, but I don't really vlog like that. So I'll start doing vlogs for you guys to actually see the lifestyle. I go to expensive places regardless of the fact that I don't have expensive. You guys see me, I don't look expensive, but I go to expensive places because I can afford it. But yeah, I spend money a lot on good things, good food and everything. So yeah, I'll update you guys, I'll keep you guys posted, and let's make money. Let's make money very fast. See you guys in the next video.